Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. We are learning Excel automation here. So in this series, today we will learn the merge data table activity and we see the example of that. So let's go to the UiPath studio and see the program. So we create a new program here. So click Control N and create a program merge data table. Okay. So here uh, I'm taking a one activity that is a build data table. So I'm creating a data table here. So build data table. In this data table, I'm creating a table. So adding the column name is a name, a string. The other column is age. That is a integer. Okay. I'm assigning value here. Name John. John and the age of John is 25. And second name is David. The age of 33. And the age of Miller 35. So here created three rows in this data table. Okay. After that, I'm taking another data table. So firstly, this data table assign the very data table name. I'm creating Control K data dt1 data dt1. Okay. I'm creating another variable, another data table because we are learning the merge data table. We have a two data table, a different data table, and merge in a one data table. So how can we do that? So we'll see in this program. So I'm taking here second data table. So in this data table, uh, one name is common, so that column name is a name. Name column is in the both data table available. So and the here I'm taking another column is city. Okay, city is also integer. So I'm created two column here, and in this column I'm providing the value. So I'm providing the Amit, city from Delhi, um, Atish, Atish from Pune, and Deepak, and the other name is Deepak from Patna. Okay, so here I'm also creating a three rows. So I'm providing the data table name here, Control K data dt2. Okay, so now I'm taking a most important activity that today we learn, that is a merge data table. Merge data table. So using this activity, we have merged the two different data table. You can see here. So I'm providing the source. So I want to merge the data table 2 in data table 1. So this is a source data table, and this is a source data table 2, and this is the destination data table, that is a 1. So I want this data come in this data table. So here I'm providing source is data dt2 and destination is data dt1. Okay. So and you can go to the property section. You can see here missing a schema action here is available. So what is this? This is a property. Here is a four category: add, ignore, error, and add with key. So this is a in the different situation it's work. Like if you are adding the two data tables, then you can use add parameter here. If you want to ignore some value, then use the ignore activity. And if you want to uh, like you in the first data table you have a some and the second data table have a different column and not matching each other, so it's showing the error. So let's see one by one again. We discuss uh, all one by one. So firstly, I'm using here the add data table. Okay, so where we this using this activity, we are merge the data. So I'm write the data in the Excel sheet, so where we can see that. So write, using write range activity, write range activity workbook. Okay, so I'm providing the path. So merge data is a path, and the sheet name is sheet 1, and data table name data dt1, because we are adding data to data in 1. So I'm providing the value. So now I'm run this program and show you the output. So program is completed. You can go to the file and see merge data file here available. So you can see uh, in the first table, these data are available, uh, name and age, and the second data table is a name and city. So both are combined in a one data table and write in the Excel sheet. Here header is not coming, so you go to the UiPath, and in this section you can add here the header. Then you can also get the headers. Okay, so you see the in the one action we have performed the add. If we use the another one is a ignore. So what the what data coming in the data table. So let's see again, run this program. Firstly, delete from here all the data and see what output is coming after using ignore activity, ignore action. So I'm using here ignore. You can see ignore. So in ignore, like in the data table 1 have a two column name and uh, age, and data table 2 name and city. So when I'm copying the data table 2 from 1, so ignore the data which is not available in the data table 1. Suppose in the data table 1 there is no city column. So if you're using the ignore action here, so city column ignore and ignore in the data table. So you cannot get the city column in the output section. So let's run and see the output. Yeah, it's run. Go to the file and see the output. Merge data. You can see here. So these are the first data table value, and these are the second data table value. But here CT is not coming because in the first data table there is no column of CT. That's why it's not coming here. Okay. In the first situation you can see CT is also coming in the this section, and now you don't get the CT column here. So only you add the name column, both the data table name available in the output. So I hope you understand these two actions. So after that, uh, we'll delete the data from here and go to the UI path and see another action is a error action. So when we are using the error action, it means uh, if you know if required column not found in the source destination data table, then it's give the error. So now run this flow, you get the error here. You can see you get the error. Merge data table, target data table, missing the definition of the column city. The city is not available. So I hope you understand all three the action available in the merge data table activity. So if you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We'll provide the solution. So let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.